Iliana, and we're here in Los Angeles working at Kismet. So I'm the sous chef here. And yeah, we're just gonna talk about this eggplant dish that we got here. The first step in it is just peeling the outside, just to get it's kind of like a traditional way that I've seen being done. So I kind of wanted to bring that back. And then after that, it's brine in salt overnight. And then the next day it gets dried out, fried, and then it gets stuffed with the toasted walnuts and the Fresno sofrito. And then once it's stuffed, to pick up the dish, just put it in the oven until it's warmed through, and then we top it off with our black mint condiment that goes on top of it. Definitely wanted to make this dish vegan so we could accommodate, we do have a lot of vegan diners that come in, and I kind of wanted to accommodate them by just not having them had to substitute anything, to get something vegan. And also as a main entree dish as well. So yes, we have this stuffed eggplant, and then I'm just topping it off with a black mint condiment that also contains a little bit of preserved mandarin. So yeah, that's about it. What I like about this dish is definitely the texture that comes with it. Usually eggplant is really soft texture, so just bringing in that toasted walnut in there really gives it a nice texture when you're going in to eat it. Yeah, definitely flavors that traditionally just go together, like eggplant, tomato, chili is definitely those three flavors that definitely trying to bring it in all together, making something that would originally be classic, but bringing it a little bit more into a modern sense by making it vegan, because traditionally it would be meat stuffed. And another thing that I really like about this dish is the condiment that goes on top. It has black mint, which is just super floral, it just really brings the dish together. And then having a little bit of that preserved mandarin on the back end really ties in with the other flavors of the dish.